The family of the former Commissioner of Mayom County in Juba State will not take revenge, but allow the government to deal with the matter, the Presidential Advisor on National Security Affairs has said. Tut Gatluak is the younger brother of the late James Chuol Gatluak, who was killed together with some of his family members, including bodyguards, on Friday. Addressing mourners in Juba on Sunday, Tut said his family has left everything in the hands of the government, since the late was a government official. We are the big family in Bull. The family of Chuol is not a small family. They are here, but we are not going to revenge. The response will be from the government, said Tut Gatluak. Our son died as a government official. Let the soul of our brother be paid as a sacrifice for the stability of South Sudan. We have no problem with anyone, so we don't want to shed the blood again. I want to assure the President that we are committed to the implementation of peace and stability of South Sudan. Army opposition group South Sudan People Movement Army, led by the former General Stephen Boy claimed responsibility for the attack. In 2019, Stephen Boy was arrested on charge of treason, rebellions, and offense during operation, as well as disobedience of lawful orders, according to several articles in the SPLA Act 2009. He was then stripped of his rank and dismissed from military service. The source is High Radio.